And a most pleasant good day to each and every one of you. Time now for weather news with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. You're looking at the NAM map, which is very, very accurate for the most part of what's going to be happening for the next several days here. As you can see, this morning I want to remind everyone, if you live in these areas of Lynchville County in Connecticut, southern Berkshire, Mid-Hudson Valley, and the eastern Catskills. Okay, light snow, you probably having some early this morning. It may mix with and then transition to pockets of freezing rain. And then it's going to transition over to just plain rain south of Interstate 90 this morning. Now, the temperatures should continue to rise up throughout the morning, and probably by at least 9 a.m., maybe 10, but I'm thinking a little earlier. All of this freezing, nasty mess should end because the temperatures will be warm enough. It should be above freezing, maybe before then, but by then anyway. So if you're on your way to work this morning in those areas, please be careful. We got fog. We got rain this morning. Yes, indeed we do. Fog up and down the entire coast, all the way down into big portion of Florida. Be careful about that and pay attention, because some of this fog you can only see 2 to 4 miles. Some in other places aren't quite as bad. Of course, we got snow going on up in this area, and out west we have those bad air warnings, as I call them. It's stagnated air. Smoke, smoke, smoke. Please be careful of that. If it's your first time over here and you'd like to know what's happening with the weather, please click the blue subscribe button down in the right-hand corner of this video. Then click the bell. And if you're over on my home page, be sure to check off the email notifications to make sure you get all the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, and any kind of storms that are making up or happening at this time. I'd appreciate it so much if you just click subscribe. Weather in general for today and tomorrow is looking like this map, the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Let's turn it on and get it rolling right quick. Now, we have some moderate rain that's going to impact California by Wednesday, folks. So that is such a blessing. Now, it's a blessing in a way, but it can cause all those slides to happen. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on that. Now, we got a front extending from the northern mid-Atlantic to the central Gulf Coast, and it's going to move off most of the eastern seaboard and Gulf Coast by tomorrow evening. I've got rain at my house right now. It should slack up some for the afternoon. Now, the system's going to produce rain and snow over parts of the eastern Ohio Valley to the northeast through tomorrow evening when the rain moves off the coast. Now, the rain will change over to snow over parts of eastern Ohio Valley, central Appalachians by Tuesday afternoon and continue into Tuesday evening. Showers and thunderstorms will develop along the associated boundary over parts of the lower Mississippi Valley, western Gulf Coast, and that's going to move out over the Gulf of Mexico by tomorrow afternoon. Rain's going to also develop along the front from parts of the western Ohio Valley, southwestward to the lower Mississippi Valley. That will dissipate over the Tennessee Valley southeast by tomorrow afternoon also. Now, rain is going to develop over parts of the southern mid-Atlantic, which it's already started, southeast coast today, and all of this rain that we're getting here in the mid-Atlantic and the southeast coast should end by tomorrow evening. Now we got a second front coming in, people. It's going to lead to more snow. And this is the snow probability, as you can see up top, of at least 1 inch. Okay, at least 1 inch. This is set for today. And you can see the graph over on the left-hand side. It's what the colors mean, what your chances are of getting it. Now, this second front, it's going to extend from the Great Lakes southwestward to the northern plains, and it should be moving eastward to the Great Lakes, northern New England area, southwestward to the central plains by tonight, and begin to dissipate overnight, okay? Now, the system will produce light snow over parts of the upper Great Lakes to parts of the northern plains today. That will end over the northern plains by tonight. The snow will continue over parts of the lower Great Lakes into the northern New England area through tomorrow night, and a wave of low pressure over central Canada will move southeastward to the upper Great Lakes by tomorrow night also. Ahead of the low, the lake effect and enhanced snows are going to develop over parts of the upper Great Lakes through tomorrow afternoon. Now, tomorrow afternoon, snow associated with the low moves into the upper Great Lakes and continues through Wednesday morning. Now, the air quality and air stagnation, those alerts, they are continuing, as you can see, over portions of California, Oregon, and Washington. This will go through tomorrow. Now, tomorrow evening, a front out over the eastern Pacific, it should be moving close to the west coast by Wednesday morning. And overnight tomorrow, rain should begin to develop along the west coast. In addition, a marginal risk of excessive rainfall will be over parts of California by Wednesday. Now, this is good and this is bad. It's good to help put the fires out. It's bad because this excessive rain could cause some slides, and that's just more traumatic problems for people where people could perish in. And we do not want that happening. So that's a check of your weather today. I hope you have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'd appreciate it a whole lot if you do so. And I love all you guys. You know it. Much peace, love, and kindness to each of you and everybody. You have a great day. Thanks for watching.